Hello guys, welcome to my channel all about products. We're here with more awesome products from AliExpress and Amazon. Links are in the description, so don't miss them. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more update. Let's get started. Tired of spending too much time chopping veggies? Introducing the vegetable chopper, your kitchen game changer. With interchangeable blades and spiralizers, you can switch inserts in seconds for the perfect cut. The spacious catch tray keeps your workspace mess-free, while the safety lock ensures secure use. Plus, it's easy to clean with the included tools. Prep faster, cook smarter, make chopping fun, quick and simple. Busy schedule? Let the manual slow cooker do the work. With a spacious 7-quart capacity, you can cook hearty meals for the whole family. Set it to high for a quick, hot meal or low to let dinner cook while you're away. The warm setting keeps food at the perfect temperature until you're ready to serve. Plus, one-pot cooking means fewer dishes to clean. The removable stoneware is microwave, oven, and dishwasher safe for ultimate convenience. Delicious meals made easy. Silicone popcorn popper, made from the best food-grade silicone. Super easy to use, simply stretch it out. Place in the kernel's measuring line is located inside, so you don't have to worry about overflow cover, then place in the microwave. Designed with a built-in heat-resistant handles for easy handling, the bowl is uniquely engineered to spread heat evenly, so not a single kernel is wasted. It's collapsible. Space. Saving design allows you to store it away or use it anywhere conveniently. Easy to clean and dishwasher friendly. No faster hassle. Just kitchen happiness with every bowl of popcorn has simple tool that does its job perfectly. Get yours today. Fry your favorites with less oil and no mess using the Presto Fry Daddy electric deep fryer. Its compact design maintains the perfect temperature automatically, making crispy, delicious food quick and easy. Plus, the non-stick surface and snap-on lid ensure effortless cleanup and storage. Meet the Magic Bullet, your all-in-one kitchen helper. It's compact, powerful, and perfect for everyday use. Create smoothies, omelets, sauces, dips, and more in seconds. Fast, versatile, and easy to use. Get yours today. Day right with the mini single serve K-Cup coffee maker. Brew the perfect 6 to 12 ounce cup in minutes. Compact, stylish, and designed for small spaces, with built-in cord storage for a clutter-free counter. Enjoy convenience and style in every sip. Premium oil dispenser bottle, designed for convenience and precision. Made from thick, unbreakable, lead-free glass, it features a wide opening for easy refills and a built-in straw with a filter to remove impurities. With dual spray control, press slowly for a columnar spray or quickly for a fan-shaped mist. The backflow hole design prevents leakage, ensuring a mess-free experience. Perfect for cooking, grilling, and dressing your favorite dishes. Introducing the ultimate sponge holder for kitchen sink, your all-in-one sink caddy with adjustable partitions for customized storage. Designed with a high brush holder and soap dispenser, it keeps your essentials organized and within reach. Say goodbye to clutter and keep your sink area neat and tidy. Perfect for every modern kitchen. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Drop your favorite in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.